Hey folks, Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash. So we're out here doing a roof wash today. One of the big things, especially if you're trying to sell the house or just for cosmetic reasons, you see the black back behind me over here versus on this other side. We've already done our roof soft wash. We apply a low pressure cleaning solution to the surface, works with the sunlight. It's enabled to go ahead and kill all the organic matter that's on there. The reason why you want to do this, again, it's going to extend the life of your roof. A lighter colored roof versus a black stained roof is also going to absorb more heat. So it's going to cost you more money for cooling services and stuff in the summer when you're really worried about that. Folks, the reason why you want to use Clean Power Wash for your roof soft washing or roof cleaning is because we do have that experience. And really, when you look at it with your average contractor for pressure washing, if they were to pressure wash this roof, it could cost thousands and thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage. For big projects like these, we're your go-to. Give us a call, Clean Power Wash, 410-251-0928. Check us out, cleanpowerwash.com. Have a great day.